We are now going to start with admin routes. For that, we are going to see every functionality what admin will be having access. So before proceeding with admin routes, first inside product route, we have to make some changes so that we can understand this route access admin will be having and only admin can access the route. And for that, we have already created role-based access and inside that we are passing admin. But now we are just going to change the routes which we have passed inside this route method. And for this get all products, we are just verifying user authentication. Definitely, we do not need this one. If the user is not logged in, then also user can see all the products. So here I'm just going to remove this verify user auth. Okay. Then we are having post for creating the product inside which we have to check whether user is logged in or not and user is admin and only admin can create the product. And for creating the product, if you want to change the route, you can easily do that. Now for creating the product, instead of directly chaining here, what I will do, I will write here semicolon. I will copy this complete thing. Here I will be pasting and here I'm just going to give admin and after that I will write product and then I will be writing create. Okay, this will be my route. Instead of directly chaining for creating the product, this is the admin route. So here I will specify admin and after that I'm just going to give product and then I will be giving create. I'm just going to start my server. Everything is working fine. After that, come to Postman. From this product, I will just open this create new product. Now instead of this route, what we have to pass? We have to pass this complete route. Copy and paste. Admin slash product slash create. And then I will click on save. Later on, if you want to add the product, let me just give here 19. Description 19. Price 1900. Here I will be giving 19. Click on send. Okay, now user is not logged in. So I am having authentication is missing. Please log in to continue. Because first it will authenticate user. Only then user can create the product. Okay, even if you are getting error, that means this route is working fine. Next, we are having update product, delete product and get single product detail. And for getting single product detail also, we do not have to authenticate user. So from here, I will remove. Now this one, only admin can access. So what we will do, here we will be writing admin slash product and then we are going to give ID. But for this getting single product, even admin can access as well as user can access. So I will copy, separate by comma. I'm not going to change. And from here, I will be removing admin. So in this way, we have to make the changes. Now come to Postman, open this update product. And before this product, here I will be passing admin. Then slash, click on save. Then I will come to delete product. Here also I will be adding admin slash, click on save. Successfully inside this Postman as well as inside the product route. Accordingly, we have just made the changes to our route. If you do not want to make changes and if you want to continue with the previous route, accordingly you can proceed. But whenever we are fetching in the front end, exact same route, whatever you are passing, exact same thing you have to pass.